Hello, gorgeous. This is Melanie here from Makeup by Melanie B. And today I'm going to do something I hope is pretty quick. I just want to demonstrate the new lip glosses. 4 brand new delicious shades. And these are them. They are fabulous. They've got a little sparkle in them. And so for those of you who like a little sparkle, little glitter, these are perfect. Now it's not glitter. I shouldn't say glitter. It's a little sparkle, just a little, color shift. But your kids will love these, your teenagers will love these, you will love these. They'll look amazing over our lip liners, our lipsticks, our matte liquid lips, which is what I have on right now. I'm wearing Sunset Breeze matte liquid lip with 223 lip liner with the new O2 gloss over the top, and it's amazing. But what we're gonna do is I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna do these colors individually so you can see what they look like with nothing underneath. So let's do that, and I will be right back. Okay, so I've got fresh, clean lips. I put a little bit of makeup back around the outside so I didn't look like I had some weird ring around my face. And we're gonna go ahead and start with 01, which is gonna be this amazing pink right here. Oh my gosh, y'all know how I am about pink. And we're gonna try this one. Oh, I love it. Love it, and it smells incredible. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Now, it may not go with this whole warm look I've got going on right now, but oh my gosh, great nude pink lip. If you just wore it by itself, imagine how amazing that would be over like Lip Liner 201 or any of the matte liquid lips. Oh my God, that's gorgeous. All right, let's move on to the next one. So let's go with number 2. Now, number 2 is the warm that I used in that last video, but it is gorgeous. Oh, that's gorgeous. Okay. That is a beautiful everyday, you could probably wear it with every color look. Like that is gorgeous. That was 02. Oh, I love it. All right, let's go with let's go in with 03. Counting. All right, 03 is like a bubblegum pink. That's fabulous too. Oh, that's gorgeous. Compared to number 1, I'm gonna show you the difference. This is the first one I put on, this is the second one. I mean, this is the one I just did. Beautiful. These feel amazing, like the lip plumper. But they don't smell like peppermint. They smell and taste like fruit. They're super fruity. I love it. These are like springtime fresh colors. I don't even know how to explain it. Now this is the 4th one. This is 04, and it's more of a berry pink. So let's see how this one looks. Looks like something you need to own, don't it? That is gorgeous. Okay, coming from somebody who loves pink, y'all know me, I'm obsessed with all 4. So they are fabulous. They feel good. They look amazing. Oh, it's fabulous. Okay, run, don't walk to my website. It's in the description. I'm just kidding. These are on the website now. So if you guys want to order them, they're there for you. If you order them 6 months from now, that's fine with me. I just think these are like must-haves. These are gonna be, along with my lip plumper, probably one of my top 10 soon, I'm sure. But I will see you guys back soon. Thank you as always for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I appreciate you guys for being here and supporting me and my goofy videos. All right, thank you guys. See you back soon.